Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy new month guys. I hope you're good. I hope you're popping. So today's video is another makeup tutorial. So first of all, I started with Cetaphil moisturizer to moisturize her face, and then I went on to apply Rimmel Stay Matte primer on her face. Next, I went in with her foundation. For the foundation today, I mixed the Flawless Ivy in Ebony. I mixed it with Flawless Ivy in Honey as always. And today I am using a beauty sponge. So I'm just dabbing it in and trying to blend everything in, okay? So if you are new here guys, please do consider subscribing by hitting the red subscribe button below and also the notification bell just beside the subscribe button so that you can get notified whenever I post a new video. So for her highlights, I am using the Zaron highlighter in medium, and I am still using the other side of the beauty blender. So guys, I want to know if you enjoy more of makeup tutorials, different makeup looks, or more of vlogs. I know that I am not really very good in vlogs, but I know that with constant practice I can do well in it, okay? So guys, just leave your comments what you enjoy more or what you want to see more of in my channel or on my channel. If it is makeup tutorials or vlogs, or just say what you want to see, okay? So I'm going to go ahead to set the highlight. I first of all used melanin powder in warm, and it was not giving me what I wanted. It was kind of dark for my liking. I don't know, maybe it's not dark from your view, but I felt it was dark, so I just went on to apply the Espon setting powder, and that powder smells heavenly. Oh my god. So I just applied it on the areas where I highlighted, and I went on to contour her nose with Elegant Pro Concealer in Beautiful Bronze. Yeah, I think that's the name, Beautiful Bronze. It's a shade very close to her shade. So I was not going for this very sharp, snatched nose. I just wanted to go for something that is very natural looking, okay? So I am setting that contour with Elegant Oil Control Setting Powder Palette. And then I am also setting the highlight with the Espon setting powder. Then for her contour, I was like, let me see if it is good for a contour, but I don't think it was giving me what I wanted. But I'm still going to use a darker shade later on in the video. I'm still going to use a darker shade and just give a little contour on her cheeks. For her brows, I'm using the Davis Brow Pencil as always in color 3. So to highlight the brows, I am using the Zaron highlighter in medium, and for the inner part, I am using the same color I used for her foundation, and then I'm just blending it, and later I'll set it with the same powder I used in setting the bridge of her nose, so everything just blends in perfectly. I realized that using a very bright color might be kind of difficult to blend, but using a color that was used for foundation is going to be easy to just blend in. So I just went on to apply the benign clown white as an eyeshadow base. I'm just making sure everything is well blended. Then I'm going to set it with air spun setting powder before I go on to apply the eyeshadow. For the eyeshadow, I'm starting off with this dark purple. And then I'm going on to blend the outer edges of that purple. I'm just blending it so that it gives a very smooth transition. I'm using a color that is very close to her skin tone, so that it's not too dark or too light. I'm going on to apply this white eyeshadow. Though the white did not come out as I wanted, I did not even have white in my main eyeshadow, so I just had to use this one. Then I'm going in with this very dark orange. I'm just using it at the outer corners of her eyes. I'm just trying to blend it as I am applying it. Then I'm going with this light orange to just give a smooth transition between the white and the dark orange. And then I'm blending with the same color I used previously, that same brown. I'm just blending the edges of the white so that everything can just look smooth and okay. Then I went in with this white shimmer just to accentuate the tear duct area, just to make sure everything is popping and beautiful. And then I'm just going back and forth to make sure everything is okay and nice. To line her lids, I am using the Naked Gel Liner. And then for her mascara, I'm using the Zaron Eye lengthening mascara. Then the lower parts of her eyes, I'm using the same white shimmer I used. And then I went to use orange at the other parts of the eyes. Later on in this video, I will use brown to just make sure everything is fierce and beautiful. So you can see now, I just wanted to make sure the contour is kind of sharper, but I did not want to create something too dark. I just wanted it to look very natural. I did not want to create something too dark and a little out of the ordinary. For her blush, this blush doesn't have a name. That's why I don't usually say the name, because I don't know the name. For her lashes, I don't actually know the name of these lashes, but I buy them in bulk. Maybe I'll show you the pack one of these days. For her lip stain, I am using, I can't remember the particular name, but I'll leave the name in the description box. Names of products will always be in the description box, okay? So I just lined it with a brown pencil and applied gloss, and I'm just highlighting the under parts of the lips to make sure everything is well. And for her brows, I used the beauty line by Didi to just tint the brow a little. And to highlight, I'm using Gold Mine from the Zaron eyeshadow palette in F. I'm just applying it on her lip line, no, cupid's bow, yes, on her cupid bow, and then just making sure that place is looking snatched. Okay, you can see the difference. It's looking so nice. So this is the final look, guys. If you did enjoy this video, please do give it a huge thumbs up, and don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section. What do you love most about this look? I love the eyes. I just love the eyes. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next one.